What is up, guys? Chris here, Bear Market Mining. Thanks again for stopping by. So today we're going to talk about Alephium mining, and in particular with my AL Box II. So we know that the hash rate is rising. We're up to about 3 petahash at the moment, almost doubled since the last 2 weeks or so. And we also know that the ALO and Bitmain's AL1 are about to be deployed. I think the AL1 is due at the end of the month, early next month, but I think these ALOs have already started shipping and are probably landing in people's home mining rooms now. So we're going to take a look at what the current profitability is, how much we're making, how much we're yielding, and make a few projections as to what we can expect coming up, because I think this hash rate is going to go absolutely through the roof. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first up, let's check out the specs. We're over here on goldshell.com. So shout out to Goldshell for helping us with today's video. This is the AL Box II. $2,760, $2,760, all sold out at the moment. Now this is probably because they've dropped dramatically in price, and I would assume that's because of the announcement of the ALOs coming out. So staying competitive there, a little bit more expensive than if you were to buy 2 ALOs, but you can't compare the quality of Goldshell and Ice River. It's chalk and cheese, basically. Goldshell units, and I've got both. Much better quality made. And if we scroll down further here, we can see you're getting 720 gigahash, and you will get that 720 gigahash. Now it does say plus or minus 5%, but in my experience, the 24-hour average is pretty much right on 720 or above the whole time, and the wattage is right at 360. So with quality made units like this, there isn't a huge amount of discrepancy between what you advertise and what you actually get. So if you're looking to grab one of these, assume you're getting 720 gigahash and assume you're getting 360 watts. You're using 360 watts, and that is a pretty safe bet. So jumping on over here to dxpool.com, we can see the last 7 days of yield from this AL Box II. Now it says we've been paid a total of 88.49 Alephium, but that was because in the first day we were sort of in between a pay window. So it didn't really get a full day's hash rate. So we will just be taking these 7 numbers here, and we can see the effects of hash rates straight away. The increased hash rate on the Alephium network. So 13.98, call that 14, down to 12.6, down to 12.34, sorry, 11.87, then down to 10.4, and it stays pretty steady from here, 10.6 and 10.4. We've sort of leveled out at about that 3 petahash at the moment. So what we will be doing is we'll be deducting this 3.4 off this total of 88. That gives us right around 85, if I'm not mistaken. The power of maths, huh? You see what I did there? Did you see how quick I subtracted 3.4 from 88.4? Incredible stuff. I know, hit that like button for me because, you know, smart and things. All right, more importantly, let's jump on over to CoinGecko, and we'll have a look at the current price and see how much that actually works out to per day and per week, because that's why you came to the video and that's what you want to know. So over here on CoinGecko, let's talk about what everybody actually cares about, the price and how much we made. So at the moment, $1.51 for Alephium. On the month, that's the current price. We're about halfway between the high, which I believe is about $2.20, and the low, which was all the way down at $1.07. So, we don't want to be down there again. So on the 14-day, can you see that? We're down about 18%, but the 30-day up 42%. And the 1 year 383%, and in another year's time I expect that number to have another digit right at the front there. But that could be hopium. Let's just hope the hopium is hopeful. That'll work, we'll take that. So 85 Alephium works out to $128 USD. So let's drag this trusty calculator over. So really nice at the moment. Let's see, what's that per day, just out of interest sake. Let's divide that by 7. That gives us $18.33 yield a day. So we want to know what we made on the week. So we know that the AL Box II, it uses 360 watts. So we take 360 watts and we times that by 24. That's going to give us our daily wattage. We then divide that by 1000. and that gives us our kilowatt hours for the day. Now we want to know the week, so we times that by 7 again. And then if you're playing at home, you would times this number by your electricity rate. So my electricity rate works out to 13 cents USD when my solar's thrown into it. So $7.86 on the week worth of electricity. Now we take the $129.2, we minus, where's that button? $121. Now this is what I was saying, coming from a GPU mining background. You know, my rigs would cost me, you know, hundreds of dollars a week if I was to run them all the time, and the profits would be, well, right now there would be losses. So yeah, really nice, really enjoying the AL Box 1 and this AL Box 2 now as well, with double the hash rate of the original one. Super nice. And like I said earlier, just really nice, well-made units. You know, the difference between these and the ALOs that we mentioned before were coming online is night and day. It's chalk and cheese. These are just such better made units. Ice River just mass produces the absolute you-know-what out of these, throws them out, and we all buy them, myself included. But a really nice unit. And you know, I have heard people say if the hash rate is to go up and the profits drop in cooler places of the world, they work as a pretty good space heater too. So not really an issue I have here in Australia. But more importantly, I'm rambling. $121 a week profit. So yeah, very nice. We're happy with that for sure. So that will wrap it up, guys. Wanted to keep it somewhat short for you. I know a lot of you guys just want to know the brass tacks. What are the numbers? So, you know, $121 profit on the week at current prices, at current hash rate. So let me know down in the comments. Have you got one of these? Have you got an AL Box 1, an AL Box 2? Are you ordering the ALOs? They're sold out, so I presume a lot of people are. And some of the Goldshell AL Box 2s as well. So this Alephium hash rate is going to go up, but still a good buy, I would say, at the price. Look, it is going to work out slightly more expensive than buying the ALOs, but I'm going to say they're going to last longer. They're going to hash more consistently. The wattage will be the same. Temperatures won't be an issue. My vote's with Goldshell over these Ice River units all day. So let me know your thoughts, guys. If you want to talk more about Alephium or crypto in general, join the Discord. The link is in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.